Out here looking before work. Found one already, but it looks like the tip might be a little bit gone. Oh yeah. Little table rock. Dang, just missing the tip. We'll keep trying. Don't have much time. Number 2. Well, I just pulled this out. Thought it was a flake. Looks like a little blade. Just the tip. All right, it's about time for me to go to work, and I finally found a pretty nice one. Looks heat treated. Oh yeah. Not too bad. Hopefully I get off work early today. I'll come right back out here. Another freeform or tool. I'm right here below this cut bank, and I see an awesome bay sticking out. Rice lobe or Cossatot River Point. Let's hope the tip is there. Ah, just barely missing. All right, we'll keep going. Well, I've been following footprints all day. Past 6 people that have already walked this stretch. But there's one down here. Not too bad. I'd like to see what they found. We'll come back when the water's a little bit lower. Well, I already picked it up. I'm gonna put it back down. Kind of flipped it out over. It's an interesting looking heat-treated point. Interesting. Keep trying. Another person just passed me, so that's number 7. 7 people have hunted this. I'm still finding stuff. I'm out here again before work with the mag light, and I see one down here. I think the base is broken on it. Let's see. Oh yeah, just a little snap. Got another one down here. This one looks a little bit broken too. Wait a second. Yeah, just barely dinged. It's a little triangular blade. I see a little bird point down here. Tip's broken off. A little bit busted. I almost didn't see this one down here. Sweet. Stepped a few more feet and popped this one out. Gotta keep going, it's about to get dark on me. Walked about 30 more feet. Just missing a tiny bit of the base and a tiny, I don't know, it's reworked at the tip that way, I guess. Maybe some ancient damage at the tip. Keep going before it gets dark. All right, it's Still walking that same stretch. It's getting darker, but look at this. That just looks awesome. Reed springs. Yes. Past few times, I found at least one full one in this little 50 to 100 yard stretch right here. Sweet. Big broken base. I have a point down here, y'all, and it looks phenomenal. See that striping in that, and that color with the tip there? Oh. Just an ancient nick on that tip. Sweet. One that I just flipped out right here, missing the base. Crude. Got one down here. I can't tell if it's broken or if it's blunted. Yeah, it's just blunted off that way. Sweet. Didn't know what it was at first. Crude little point. This will probably be the last one. It's getting a little bit dark. Blade or a tool.